All right, great. So we've gone ahead and done our batch download with FatCoon, where we have all our images here. The next thing that I'm going to want to do, let's delete quickly. We're going to go ahead and upload these to create an image classification data set using Google's AutoML. So the easiest way with images to do this, again, making sure that there's cars on the road in each of them. This looks good, I think. Wish you could tell me if you see one that should not be in there. But great. So what we're going to do is, if you go to it, I'm going to rename it. This will be cars on road. And all you have to do is in the folder, if you can actually compress it and zip it, that's what you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and, it was so easy on a Mac. Compress to zip. Great. Now that we have this car on road zip, if we go into our Google AutoML, so click over here, go back down to Vision, Dashboard, and then we want to use the AutoML Vision, and we're going to create a new data set. This will be called car on road. We're going to do a single label classification and hit create data set. Now when we upload, we're going to go ahead and select our file. Let's go to desktop, go to wherever you have it, and get that zip file. The reason we're loading the zip file is because when Google unpacks it, it's going to use whatever the zip file was named as its label. So it's pretty awesome. I'm going to go ahead and drop this into my central custom bucket, and we can continue. Great. So you'll see it's just going to upload that one folder and then do its normal thing. So when it's done importing those images, we'll go ahead and get an email and go from there.